In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Glide. Icons are a quick, visual way to guide users, highlight actions, and make your app feel polished. I'll walk you through the exact path to add them and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can make confident choices without confusion. First, open your browser and head to the Glide website. This is your starting point for building and editing your app. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so Glide can take you to your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your projects. Click to open the app you want to edit. That brings you into the editor, where you can see your app preview in the center, navigation on the left, and detailed settings on the right. Now look to the left sidebar. This is where your screens are listed. Select the specific screen where you want to add an icon. Choosing the correct screen first helps ensure you're editing the right place and keeps you from having to redo changes later. If your app has multiple tabs or sections, take a second to confirm the name of the screen so you'll know exactly where the icon will appear. With the screen selected, move your attention to the right sidebar. This is the Properties panel for whatever you've selected. Look for the Labels area, then click the Icon option. If you don't immediately see an icon setting, make sure you've selected an element that supports icons, such as a tab, a list item, or a button-like component. The icon control is typically close to the text label, since the two work together. Next, choose the icon you want. You can browse categories or search by keyword to find something that clearly represents your action or content. Aim for simple, recognizable shapes. Think of icons as quick signposts your users can understand at a glance. Keep consistency in mind. If you've been using outlined icons elsewhere, stick with that style. If your app favors filled icons, match that look here. As you select an option, watch the live preview so you can confirm size, contrast, and readability against your app's background. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your change live, so your users will see the updated icon right away. If you ever need to tweak it, just repeat these steps and publish again. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.